So there is a clash between Honorable Atta Akyea and the MPP Judas Kennedy Japan. Now, and then I hate the Mobile and rap video be echo viral. Honorable Atta Akyea, agent stages who are 2 MPP delegates for sale. Almost no man can't control about Mobia, Sebi, Obetimiako UN General Assembly. No one can say your motherfucker. Na asem no kan ne wan bo bi adin but you say ekutia wo enimnira nti ene eda sori ya MPP Judas Kennedy Japan akwa radio so I reply here Honorable Atta Akyea. Now in his reply asem a wo kan ya ne say Honorable Atta Akyea ebere bi esia no Heathrow Airport London. Na osia no Honorable Atta Akyea didi na ado danko Akufo Addo atem kan se mo ensem fatafa na ado ho e kan ya kan se na ado ensem fata so ye president e wo Ghana na sanse mienu we no ye ba be di ho nkomo ntinya abotre ne tie di yi Honorable Atta Akyea asem a wo kan ye no yembusa ye ho se eye nokre ana se enye nokre eye nokre because there is a video evidence MPP Judas at radio station biso wo didi atem a woka you are stupid as you motherfucker viral everybody knows in the no Honorable Atta Akyea when chantro there is evidence e wo honom now yen hwe Kennedy Japan so asem no say Atta Akyea didi na ado danko Akufo Addo atem o ka sa asem no na edi kan wanka atem ne die ku a Atta Akyea edidi na ado ne etosu mienu one my evidence, one chere evidence, be our my anything of evidential value. A say ampa. Honorable Atta Akyea, edidi na nado danko Akufo Addo atem. Na say, asem no say adanse ni ho a, etwa asem ni bi na ye de aya adanse. Enti ye ba be hwe eye Honorable Atta Akyea ni su ene ne ban. Ni ya judge say asem a Judas e ka ato ne so no, eye nokre ana say enye nokre. Ebetimi aye nokre anase enya de eye nokre hwe Honorable Atta Akyea oye politician bi a se wo bo ni din ana wo ti ni din a ade e ba wa adwene mu image a e ba wa adwene mu eye wo bi a osuro nyame wo bi a oye very humble oye very calm. Honorable Atta Akyea is one of the few politicians omo politics a omo ye kire se bibi kakra bi a na omo bo nyame din ofa ni nyame sum endi agro enti ubusa akwada wo MPP mu a se bi wati Honorable Atta Akyea ni din anana no asem wahunu se bo kasa wahunu na manyo sem da ubusa ne se sen no sifati a obeka sa papa we du bu ade wo bre ne ho ase. Everybody that you will talk or you will ask of Honorable Atta Akyea say ne character to say ni pa kono. There is no way obenya asemboni aka for Honorable Atta Akyea. So clearly anya no correct. It can never be true say Honorable Atta Akyea edidi na na ado danko Akufo Addo atem. Ye nyina ye ni Judas. Ono se wo ye bone na wo kasi na nim se wa ye bone na enya. Mubehu no we twantoro wa fabricate bibi. Na wa twantoro kese bi ato so just to smear you, just to discredit you near the no na Judas ye no. Enti na wa akotram radio so say Atta Akyea didi na ado atem na ado Atta Akyea ne family member ne cousin. So there is no way obedidi na atem obeka say na ado onse mfata say obe president. So ye nyina ye nim say ne Kennedy Japan tie onka nokre asa wonanum one nokre abunsa ho asem a wo kan entro no twa to Honorable Atta Akyea so ne Honorable Atta Akyea kai na ebom MPP delegate atom trim atom asum MPP yen to aban yi obi asebi oyo uncooked obi a oyo uncultured obi asebi ombu ne ho osori an no wodidi atem wadi obi atem yen to aba embe yi sai ne pa kono so ombedi yanim na wakwa kogu party nanim ase. It will never happen. So chill.
Women at Elwak did not just die. They were sacrificed on the altar of political vanity and breathtaking incompetence. We will not stand for it. Ghana's youth deserve better than ghost programs and empty promises. They deserve the ladder of opportunity this government so cruelly destroyed. Mr. Speaker, Let me now turn to the budget itself. This budget, Mr. Speaker, this budget is a cut and paste budget. When we say the successes of Nana Addo government is as a result of solid foundation laid by his administration, the NDC start to fight. But look at pages 74, 75 to 76, paragraphs 519 to 533. It is a complete cut and paste budget. They claim we have a ministry for works and housing with all the 60 ministers, with all the appointees in cabinet. They could not open their eyes to see that they were selling something to Parliament that they themselves have not defined as part of the ministries. Mr. Speaker, how can you, at paragraph 519, claim that there's a Ministry of Railway Development? How can you, at paragraph 528, say that Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, and then at paragraph 523, again say Ministry of Works and Housing? Where was the Deputy Minister who could have paid attention to these details and dotted the I's? Where were the ministers? And this document has been brought to Parliament. In the list, this document might be withdrawn and a new budget brought before Parliament. Parliament will not accept this cut and paste budget, and all the things you have in there are things that you pulled from the previous budget and pasted them. Where is the Ministry for Railway and Development? Mr. Speaker, our friends have been exposed. A lazy attitude in preparation of a national document for Parliament. How could it have been a mistake? This is not a mistake. This is incompetence. This is clear that you did not prepare the budget with due diligence. Else you won't come and tell us Ministry for Works and Housing, Ministry for Railway Development, and write anything because you think you have the numbers to say here. We, the minority, the mighty minority, will scrutinize. And you can choose to use the courts and other means together with your numbers to get all of us out of this chamber. We will still protest and scrutinize you outside of this chamber. Mr. Speaker, at paragraph 33, page 5 of the budget, this is what they say. That, Mr. Speaker, the year 2025 has unfolded against a backdrop of deepening global uncertainty, heightened trade disputes, persistent geopolitical tensions, and uneven monetary tightening across major economies have damaged global confidence and investment flows. Mr. Speaker, these are the words of the Finance Minister. Since when, Mr. Speaker, did global economic uncertainties affect the economy of Ghana? When you were in opposition, you failed to accept that global economic challenges had effects on Ghana. Today, in presenting your national budget, you are blaming global uncertainties has haven't affected you. Mr. Speaker, our friends have been exposed.
We all live under a firmament. Firmament no nyame no bianca say no nyame baby our system no we nyaka nyina yegum. We are all caged and trapped in a firmament. Obi ti ma me dada me say nyame coupon na kasa one on one say ono no hu be binti president be. All of you are quiet because mo di amen. Ya the moto to board so mo musika kese di nti no man be gu a ngu. Mo na mo nim tons akese bo. Mahama winning power pay who are so for I can see a come Mahama or say Omo ye be Mahama winning to Mahama and Kaiwom. Ye whom will cromwa. Now chum for also Yakupo to Chamuka, maybe share them a motive of Omo yum cotty out also shall be done. So Yakupo to Chamuka because here for bread and then and this is for by force. Ukoko for Hokanom the excavator be rem ye book Koko from by force. Na ekua for mmerwa fokro klasika esum community for ekekam na mo samrewa ne nanom na yekasem kire ma montie no safe de mo hu difference no Akufo Addo ni MPP wo power mo koko sisi wo ya memo price 35 million obi afa nsanka mo koko sisi wo mo di ke na ye na boy ke na mo mutimi trans ne ya trans ya ma se di nkatia kwase ya we a wo de oba ne be matade to wa otimi hu difference no afa oba atade a hye aboa we timi bakuma se be ka kire say Akufo Addo atro book say MPP party na Asante for dia ana Akufo Addo atro ngoma say o ma Asante ni bia member di president ni bida na ye nananom bia gie di okuma se ho akoto abeti MPP e obra kwamna dufo no nso Asante ni no ene George bakubi e say George ono nso Asante ni no omo nyina be president komba be premier NDC flag bearer no yeso ma bo badam ye pam omo nyina fio eno de mo ahu eno mo ahu ba obeka se Akufo Addo atro krata se o ma Asante ni bia member di president ni no ma gie di mo jimi papa me na no mba me di matem mo nim yansa mo adwen wo fom asem we beka che voter region fo asedu nkatia ono no ka che Ghana fo nyina se Rollins ye kraman wo di chen ato no kom agboa na no voter region fo still on to mamba NDC because o man nya hwe kura no ya nhoahoa. They feel say they have to control certain people in this country, but our people are not seeing the point. Then you know, I bought you the mama for the budget MPP, but we have budget Ghana Kromo be aware to the extent that can Japan on that I say I am going to vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nothing is going to stop me. I love him. The records are there. Okay, so Otiache who say Juma ya boy Juma ko beba abontia be kacha asem. Papa min kumnya anyango yanti mako sheke Japan is on me destroy party no just because of one man BSF na lanchira matin. That a lazy politician. In our books, Ghana, Africa, how politician is lazy and lanchira who your pa who person ka odam pass near the power besho nsa. Akufo Addo at that age 79 years and not prepare. He went across the country, the length and breadth of the country non stop. The nya bring up to me. What I who offend you so say what it want to me about besho. Do you understand power? Do you understand power? Even when Yankopon wa we Yankopon no born na de kura. Bro be so gitu me afiri sem kura wa na o okun. He fought. He warred. Wan ka se me Yankopon ti me dadi na bi okun tokwa. O ma na bofo okun. If you don't understand power lancha mate shut up. Who now share train and will destroy your party no. You catch them play. Some people party nento for mother. E jina na supiti 247. E osono. We so be boarding. Trouble about team the team. We don't care. The person we party ni bia. Besi muchu mu time. Mu sabegine. Owo ye the crescent go so am be pressure mu be brebe twamuti. Kwa bia person mu dey MPP fa so bia mo boa. Na kesi den na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ko okun wa hit 41.7%. Na mo be ka chense yampa na ntonche na enko fa kene Japan la. Ka Japan na obeti ayama party no. Kakra na ni buafu. Oji microphone na koma aba. No tiatia hwe na no hwe nsem hunu okojira bontin wa okeka. Say Bawumia ba na ben oba ye hu no. Ene wonya sika. Na okele Japan oba party no ye billionaire na. Oba MPP party now ye billionaire na. You came empty-handed. Today you claim to be a filthy rich person. But to give us a break. Now we are the one Samira Bawumia college now so Mugana Maya, okay, Japan your level Krani Samira Bawumia. Robert to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. A PhD, of course. Doctor, not level, no. Who are you? We are school dropout. You can't economy, maybe we are economy. What knowledge do you have? Is it about your common business? Come Kolana Kohe, my Bessian is Ajumano. Coastal Ajuman man. What again do you have? O fact is a web the radio station be Okromwa. What you got? Ya brewu bosu ultimi mama titi MPP party nim. Ye ni bria no. Na me ka delegate for say mama ya kasa yetinti yesrem abana ye kokoto Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be 85%. Ni ya silence papa we Okromwa because mo ya madwen sam command be 40% no. obenya kudura ka still or powerful.
Ye nim no was ye ane ho nya akọ no nyese ye nim no politics mu say o ye nipa papa bia na wo ye nipa bia wo di mu soronko na atosi wei tekini ba wonu broni ba echen na no chen de say wonu timi kura mic na broni ba so onka say mu speak em and o chen ni bibia ya artificial ni bibia ya artificial na nado danko Akufo Addo no appointment okọ ho na say asori koda nyame ase na Addo danko Akufo Addo no ni flatform na say wunya politician na wotimi ka say montoma candidate bi because of flatform ya adwen bone adwen na woni tirim na ene say woni adwen bia woni tirim o kasa rough kasa obekasa bia nyanse nim faso ni so ene o de kasa kira amanfo we num so omu ye nipa we nom se omo ye nipa from politician omo pese ye nto aba emfa ma omo achita for message omo de kono eno ne de ehi se na atohye amu no ho so oyoba na obekasa yie na se wantimi afa respect anye campaign no se otisi anwea ni mu dia ha de hanye wotisi mu a yeso ye bet tiesi no so pa because na atohye omo mapo we die ye wo bi we fie mo mapo we ye wo bi we fie ade a me ni bi wo me fie ane BBL no eno na mini bi wo me fie na me ma wo ntena entoto ayampia emfa mreyen na wo ne nam asante mu amfa ho ni eni di asante fo atem na amfa ho ni ena mu campaign ato so ba bia mbekọ bi obi amfi mu asante mu a wo nam yi obi ebo ntuto ye mfi eno na ha wa ma wo hu de onya na bantema na mo nam a mo se bantema ye mo dia ekura no my confused because ene yiso ne mo ko ho Brian any more ko yanso ya twimu bebre de edeko etimu ama ye confused mu hu ne mo nka etimu se ha de asa mirror drew here wo se mutumu na esi a campaign na ya no makoya ne tese bibi etese mu amutimi throw shots mu amoye campaign mu agaza mu di animu no mutimi throw shots ke cancel hu no obi be ka bi kire mu amose ya Dr. Baumi achitafo patem Dr. Baumi achitafo ayese na so de mo ka no tan amu hia se nipa mamumu aye ye mamumu aye na afa mu de adani su ene nsem hu no edidi kire nipa na ye nso so ye wo ho ye twem mu de mu be ka biara ebe mamumu aye na atoshi no warning na mu send fama no so wo pese wo oti ni suo dia ye to aba ne wie kura se wo beti ni suo ye be di ni hu dwuma ama wo beti ni suo akosi se owiase be say because they say no ye hu se kwa me plus Kennedy bua no ono nso so ebua NDC ni ema ono nso bewe ni sit enti wo ne na wo na atoshi wo ne Kennedy no ye funu kroma mo bua ye opponent ema wo mo eba be di ebe wini aba no wa bra yen yete ho ye candidate to adufuru penny selfish interest nti enunti na me kache delegate bia masema me kan yiti awane se Kennedy de mo ma no kwan ma ne ben yi na ben sa abato ya ye kwotu ikro ben Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumi obedi first na ye party re say ye nkwala na mo party ni mu no ne ya hye omo ma ya set good president anto wa man kwala no se wo obi epe position ni eto abama na twitwa ne nantini no mfeli na bra ne yento ma se ye mpene sa ne pese nchirima ni hunu se party na ye chichire na ye discipline ye de chichire party no ye commitment ye se ubesum party asum ni ye na party betu awka ye yi nipa na se de etie bia wo se munyina mo kabom na mo boa nipa na wa hofa kwan abefa so ababoa nipa na daache be ma won so yato aba ama na be ma party na consider wo so for position bia na wo se ye yi Kennedy a watwitwa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumi anantini na watwitwa parliamentarians bebre nantini ama na yaye mobo se de yaye ama ye party de na aka Africa Kennedy akompre kwa Japan ye ma no kwan kra ma ne mmemme se ka me kwanka 10% kra ense se onya se de obehu se delegate na punish no na nkwala ne mabunu na wo party no ebehu se party ni se wudi na ni di bone a party ni so twewaso asotwen bone na wo so party kwan paso a party ni yiwaye emfa ho ne dibre wo tirim party ni nya yi wo yonko afa wakoma nyina ata na chi vise ye osono no na wo ta na chi se wo yi nipa no ma wo yi osono na ma enye nipa no nko a e wo se party ni kabom ni etimi twe sankrofo we yaso se de be ye ensem da ho e de ama nchirima ense se yesoso we so se yesoso so de a ye party no de ekoi ye betimi a solve issue yi ebedru mrebi de chain say besia abamu a ahwe ya ne yentimi ansolve e wose ye twe naso ne ye twe omaso ye pa because na atosi eye de kwa me plus e kan ye bi woni Kennedy kan bo mu ye de a e wose party ne twe omaso pa Kennedy ne so per president ama na atosi so per vice obi omo no e de ye party strategies ne ye party e ko ye befa so ye be we ni aba akọbua nkrofo ama omo no awe ni atia yen no ensese ye so so omo so e wose ye twe omaso asotwe mu ode me da asema no asi